Zte Axon 11 5G with Snapdragon 765G SoC, 4000 mAh battery launched. Price, specifications. ZTE on Monday officially launched its latest flagship smartphone, the Zte Axon 11 5G, in China. The phone is powered by Snapdragon 765G SoC and packs a 4000 mAh battery. In terms of the design, the latest smartphone by ZTE comes with a waterdrop notch display and quad camera setup on the back. It is available in 3 variants and comes in black color option. Since the Axon 11 5G is currently available only in China, it is speculated that the phone will be rolled out in other markets in the upcoming months. It is unclear whether the phone will be launched in India. Zte Axon 11 5G price. ZTE's latest, the Axon 11 5G will be available in 3 variants and is up for pre-order on several Chinese retail websites such as Zte.com, JD.com, and Tmall.com. The 6GB plus 128GB variant of the smartphone is priced at 2,698 Chinese yuan, roughly Rs. 28,890, while the 8GB plus 128GB unit is available for 2,998 Chinese yuan, roughly Rs. 32,100. Meanwhile, 8GB plus 256GB variant is priced at 3,398 Chinese yuan, roughly 36,390 rupees. Zte Axon 11 5G specifications. Features. The Zte Axon 11 5G runs on the Android 10-based MyFavor 10 operating system and features a 6.47-inch curved AMOLED display with Full HD plus 1080x2340 pixels resolution. The waterdrop notch at the top of the screen houses the smartphone's 20-megapixel front camera, and there is also an in-display fingerprint scanner. Moreover, the internal storage capacity of the smartphone can further be expanded up to 2 TB via a micro SD card. In terms of the camera, the quad rear camera setup includes a 64-megapixel primary sensor along with an 8-megapixel wide-angle sensor. There are 2 more 2-megapixel sensors for a better depth in the photographs. ZTE also says that the camera of the smartphone will be able to capture 4K resolution videos at 60 fps. The phone is also equipped with a video editing software which has a variety of video editing tools. Other features on the Zte Axon 11 5G include a hybrid SIM slot, Bluetooth 5.1, NFC, Quick Charge 4+ option, and hi-fi audio via earphones. The phone measures 159.2 x 73.4 x 7.9 mm and weighs 168 grams. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.